Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show or hide white space in print layout view in Microsoft Word. So click on File and here click on Options. Now here click on Display and you will see the first option, Show white space between pages in print layout view. So to show, check this box, and to hide, uncheck this one and click on OK. So if you have multiple pages, so as we can see that white space is removed. And to show again here, again File, Options, and show this one and click on OK. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.